YouTube. I'm Matt, a full-time wannabe. Today, I'm hanging out on the lake. Having a good time. This is a big, massive lake. Oh yeah. And I'm sitting right in front of it. Got my Wii boost on, so I got my TV. And the best part is, because I'm in Texas, you know how hot it is I installed air conditioning and heat into my camper. And my solar is running, pretty much everything. Well, it runs everything. It just won't run the air conditioning. So I got plenty of solar, 500 watts, to run everything possible that I need. And then I went and picked up, after doing some research, I didn't want to spend $2,000 on a Yamaha or a Honda. But this Predator 3500, oh my God, is so quiet. It runs 11 hours, so you don't have to wake up in the middle of the night to refill it, like the Honda one you would, or you have to buy one of those external gas tanks for it, so you can expand the runtime on it. This thing, it's like 1.5 gallons, and I mean, you don't have to wake up in the middle of the night and add gas or nothing. This thing is running at 8 o'clock in the morning, still running at 9 o'clock in the morning, and I started it last night at like 9 o'clock, 8:30 at night. So that's pretty awesome. So I'm going to show you how I did the heat and the AC. Okay, so the heat, oh, it's so cool in here. The heat, I mounted it in my kitchen area, as you can see. And my propane tank is right up under here. It's sitting right up under there. So what I did was, I got an L bracket for the heater, and then I removed one of these little circles, and then I just drilled a hole right through the counter, and it runs straight on down. So it's out of the way. That's perfect. I haven't turned it on in Texas, but when wintertime comes, that's going to be plenty of heat. That'll work great. I got a little Y adapter there so I can run the stove and that at the same time. And then for the AC, I have a fantastic fan, which does wonders. It's awesome. But lately here in Texas, it's 98, 95. And it's been real humid with all the rain. So I tried to go with the smallest one, but I don't think it would be strong enough to keep this cool in here. So I got a 10,000 BTU, and I searched for the smallest width, like this one's only like 14 by 15. I think it's 26 inches tall. So this is kind of like the smallest footprint for a 10,000 BTU. And it runs about 800 watts. So I could probably run it off of solar, but not for long. Like an hour here or an hour there. I could probably do that. And what I did was, I don't know if you can see, but I ran the tube through the wall, through my work table, and then I have it running out through the back door. So let me just show you how I did that. Okay. On the outside, I've got a dryer vent. You can feel the heat. It's got a little flap on it. Pretty cool. Pretty easy to install too. I liquid nailed it, screwed it, and then caulked all the way around it to kind of seal it up. Okay. So, open that door. The garage. Now, water to full. But as you can see, it's got an elastic. Now that's the exhaust tube. What I did was I took the window part, which is supposed to use for the window. This fits into the window and it's got like a slider. And I just screwed it right to the door. Obviously cut a hole. And that way it's got a thing for this, you know, so it locks in. I just used the original window part. And so I can literally take that off, no problem. And then it's got like this little cap, so I can just cap it if I'm not using it. But I just keep it hooked up, you know, during the summer, or so far since I put it in. But that's pretty simple. And it just, you know, runs right through. Let's see, but it just runs right in, you know, through the, you know, through my table. And you can see it's elastic, springy, or whatever you call it. Excuse the mess. So yeah, so that is just nice and cool in there. And you know, I can keep the window vent open a little bit, or the up vent open a little bit. And let me tell you, that generator, so quiet. So quiet. And I was able to sleep last night. Excuse me again. Let's come sit in here. I was able to sleep last night in AC. I've been here already. Well, I got here on Tuesday. And so I've been here Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Today's Thursday. And I'm going to stay one more day. I was going to leave today, but I'm having such a good time out here. I ran into town and just got a little bit more gas. And so I could stay another night. And let me tell you, it is so nice and cool in here with that AC. And it's incredible. And it's only because it's pretty much 100 degrees, you know. If it was in the 80s or something like that, I wouldn't use AC. This would be fine. Like the fantastic fan would be plenty. And it'd be nice and cool in here. And you know, being all fully insulated, it kind of keeps the cool in here. And being a white trailer, that helps immensely. So, yeah, I just wanted to, you know, check in, and I'm pretty stoked about the heat and the AC. This works great. My bed fits right up under there, and I got a second bed, obviously right here, just in case, you know, I got two people, you know, in the camper. But yeah, there's the heat. The AC blowing right on me. Got my chair right next to it. I'm loving it. Where am I at? I'm at Sam Houston Forest. I think that's Lake Conroy. Totally free. And a little tricky getting in. Part of the road was washed out, but there was just enough room on the side for me to kind of just get in. And it was pretty nice. I didn't have a choice though, because once I made it to the washout, there was no backing up or turning around. So I was like, well, I made it here, might as well just give it a whirl. I think I can make it. And I did. So, yeah, what do you think? AC and heat. I'm 4 season ready now. I'll be able to camp in the snow. I'll be able to camp. Well, I'm in Houston. Don't get any hotter than this. So, yeah, this is awesome. Well, excuse me. I think that's it. This is just a short video. I just wanted to touch base. I think I'm going to go for a swim, turn off this AC, save some gas. I'm going to go hang out outside and enjoy my last day here and have some fun. Mind you, I got to say, that Wii Boost is working great. I got my Fox News on. There's my Wii Boost antenna up there. Heck yeah. And I got some books to read. So this has been a fun trip. Did a lot of swimming so far. And a little bit of drinking. It's a vacation, kinda. I mean, I'm not working, that's for sure. Put my business on vacation mode for a couple of days so I can have a day, a couple of days off. And then they mandated masks again, so I'm like, yep, I'm out of here. I'm gonna go to the lake for a couple of days and just relax. No masks. Yeah. So, what do you think? Pretty cool. Trying to get subscribers. So, please subscribe to my channel. Trying to finally reach 1,000. I think I got 200. 250. So, click that like button. Click the subscribe button. More videos to come. I'm Matt. I'm a full-time wannabe. Everything's working out great and I'm having a blast.